Okay, try this again. I recorded one a minute ago and it wouldn't focus. There's one. Tried to wipe some oil off, but yeah, it just looks like nothing good. There's quite a few of them that have flat spots, but that one's just chewed to heck. Okay, I actually have 6 lifters that are good. I'm going to show you all the bad ones. It's going to be a long video, but oh, this one might be. There's quite a few of them that go like this. The ones that I left in, the 6 that I left in, I'm not leaving them in, obviously, but I just wanted to show a video of them. Yeah, that one's shot. Let's see another one. Let's see if this one does it. Low battery. Yeah, that one does it. See how chewed up it is. See it, flat spot. Yeah, it's freaking shot. God, who knows if this cam's gonna survive. Alright, yeah, that one's shot. There's another one with oil on it. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's still trash. Yep, junk. Junk. This is the odd side. This finish is the odd side. Or, I mean, the even side. This is the even side. This one barely even rolls. Hear that? There's that one. Alright, what is that? 5 of them on that side, and I got 5 of them on this side that are junk. This one's out of cylinder 7 here. Gotta hold it upside down. Yep. Shaking. Just chewed up. Here's another one. They're on the, I don't know which one's the right and which one's the left, which one's, I mean, I guess if I was to put the, wait a minute, I don't know, the one on the right goes somewhere. I can't remember. Kind of excited that I got down to this point. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely not new. Freaking got some rust on it. Like it's been messed up for a while. Yep. It bounces too. Here's one. These are all separate. Oh yeah, that one wouldn't work anyways. Oh, not anymore. Actually, I think this is the first one I pulled out. I already showed you guys this one. Yep. Anybody want to put that in their truck? God, that thing rolling around like that. I wonder how much. What's a cam? Like $600 for a cam. How much are lifters? $600. Wow. Yep. I think that's all you needed to see there, huh? That's probably one of the worst ones there. Pretty bad shape. So, there we are. How the heck does this... I I can't even zoom out. Won't even adjust. It's quiet in here. I don't know. Might as well turn the music on. Okay. See ya, guys. Thanks again.